All right, yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trends Tech. This is what it looks like through the Vision Pro when it's dark outside. So obviously you can see there's a couple of lights on from some of the neighbors and across and whatnot, but this is how it's looking. I can barely see my hands. There's a bunch of noise and everything. So I highly suggest that you don't walk around at night wearing this. I know there's a lot of people saying, oh, hey, look at me, Vision Pro outside or whatever. Well, here's the real. So safety concerns, you can easily trip and bump into stuff. I can barely see my foot there, so I'm not sure how it's looking up on your guys' end. But on the positive note, this is one of the things I was mentioning before of what you could do with the Vision Pro. So I'm in my backyard. Right now it's February, so it's cold outside, but let's just say it was June or July and it was warm outside, right? And I just wanted to watch a movie in my backyard. All right, so one of the things I can do here, and I can just come up here and let's go ahead and make this a whole picture. Now, obviously I can't show movies because of copyright, but just imagine if this was a movie. You can see how big this screen can get. And this is just in my backyard. So I can have it up here, have it close to me. Now, you guys can't see, but my grill is over there. Let's say I was just over there grilling and I could turn around and like, oh, hey, you know, stuff to watch. Or if I want to, like I said, turn this into a big movie. And look, you guys can kind of see that tree up there, so that's pretty massive. Look at this. Just look. Look at this. This is crazy. Look how big that is. All right? And for scale, I'm going to back up a little bit just so you guys can see. I mean, bro, look at that. You could have a lawn chair in there and just be out there chilling or whatnot. I don't think anybody would go into full immersive mode, but if you were, this is what it would look like. You know, while you're chilling in your backyard. Or if you want the regular mode, you know, there we go. Hopefully that's not sitting there playing a bunch of, you know, noise in the background. But yeah, look at that movie up there. Say I want to do some Bible stuff or whatever, you know, I could do an immersive thing. And this is the Bible app. So let's say it's Sunday, you want to come out in the backyard, do your Bible thing. You can come pray. You can do it inside. You can do it in the backyard. You know, let's say you can't make it to church. There you go. But let me go ahead and hop out of that real quick. And, you know, once again, Twitter. You can sit there and just scroll to Twitter. Change that around. Once again, we can shrink it up, put it down, check notifications, all that stuff. But like I said, this is how it looks in the dark at night. So, oh God. Yeah, see, I don't recommend using this at night because you could easily trip. And the other thing that's kind of hard about using stuff at night is you really can't see through this. So if, let's say, for whatever reason, you know, you had a little bit too much to drink or whatever, you're just like, oh, hey, I want to look at and you just run into this, right? Like there's a whole thing right here. So be careful out here, y'all. But like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks, my point of view, and let me know what you guys think. Is this something you will use at night? Is this something that scares you as far as the future goes or whatever? I don't know. But It can still kind of see my hands because there's a little bit of light out here. But if it gets really dark, it's really hard for this to detect stuff. Sorry, I'm messing up my words. It's cold outside. I'm gonna stop recording, go inside. So, all right, y'all, take it easy. See you next video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.